Welcome to Disney Theme Park World. We're here at Tokyo Disneyland. Welcome to Snow White's Adventures Dark Ride. This ride can be very scary for those little fellas. If you are riding this by yourself, please be warned that the level of intensity is higher than Haunted Mansion. And do not underestimate. It may look like a little pretty dark ride for kids. Haha, you'll see in just a few moments. There is no turning back now. Find your way out of this scary adventure. Hurry back. Be sure to bring your death certificate. Until next magical adventure, have a zippity-doo-dah day. Please make sure to subscribe and see you real soon.